Hello everyone. In the last class, we have discussed about how can we fetch the data from BAPI without writing any logic. We are just fetching the data from the BAPI level. Okay. In today's class, we will discuss about something media file. Like in the front-end system, they will maintain the data in the notepad or wordpad or something Excel sheet, whatever it is. Okay, they will maintain something data, or they will save something pictures. Okay, and they want to send that file to SAP through OData, or they want to send the images, logos from front end to SAP through OData, or they want to pick the data. Okay, they want to pick the images, or they want to pick the files from SAP to front end, vice versa. Okay, in this case, how can we achieve this one? First of all, I will go for creating the project. Media project, and this is also media. The package is $PMP. Okay. Now, first of all, we need to create the table, right? So something image is coming to SAP, or something file is coming to SAP. Then where we have to save this data? We have to save in one table. So I will create one table first of all. Media, media information, and display maintenance. Hello. So first field is the MAMDT as usually. Okay, next file name. I will go for built-in types directly. I'm giving the data type and length here. Something character 50. Okay, this is the file name. So they're sending something file, or they're sending something image or logo. Guys, 1 minute. Okay. Something logo we are sending from front end to SAP. At that time, the logo name will be there, or something file we are sending, the file name will be there. That name will capture here. And file type. So what type of file it is? Okay, so either it is text file or document file or logo, JPG file, PNG file. So different types of files will come, right? So for that one, I'm just maintaining something character 50 for this one also. File type, file content. So what is this file content here? So we are sending something data, right? So the which field will contain the data? Something text file we are sending, or we are sending something Excel sheet. It is containing something 10 lines of information, right? So those 10 lines of information, where it will save? The 10 lines of information will come and sit in this file content only. Okay. Or something logo we are sending. Okay, the logo will convert into one format. That format will come and sit in this file content. So for this one, raw string, this is one data type here. So so this functionality is, so whenever we are sending something, files or logos or something images, so those all things will convert into some internal format, and that format will save in this one. Okay, automatically it will convert that one. If we send something data, so automatically it will convert into some format. Okay, I will show you how it will come. So once we send the data, then we can understand how it will save in this file content. Sorry. Technical settings. APPL01 says category 0. Back and activate it. Yes. Something warnings, no issue. Table is activated. Okay. Now I will go the SCGW transaction. Here I already created one project Jet Media. So in this one, I want to add a table. Okay, I mean, we have to create something entity and entity set, right? So here I want to create the entity type by using this table. Okay, how many columns are there? These all columns I want to keep in the entity type. So at that time, what we will do? So right click create entity type. Then we have to provide a list of the fields one by one we have to give. Otherwise, what I will do, I will click on import and I will go for data DDSC structure or data dictionary structure. Okay, here I'm giving something entity type, right? So media, just media I'm just taking, and the ABAP structure. ABAP structure is the table name. Okay, if I pass this table name, then all fields will come here. Okay, here I'm selecting this checkbox for entity set. Click on next button, and now here we have to select which field we want to keep in this project. Okay, so I'm selecting all. First of all, entity field is not required, so I'm uncommenting this one. So only file name, file type, and file content. Only three fields I am maintaining it here. And click on next button, and here we have to select the key field. Okay, and click on finish button. So it is finished here, and just double click on the oh sorry, is it data model, entity types, and the entity type media. Double click on it, and if we see something here, media. Okay, so previously we were not doing anything here, but now here media is there. We have to select this checkbox. So if we don't select this checkbox, what will happen? So we will create the service, right? So we will call the service. At that time, what will happen? It will show some error. Okay, it will show some error because of we are not selecting this one. Okay, don't forget about this checkbox whenever we are working on media. Okay, uploading something logos, images, or something files, these type of things. Don't forget about this one. This is the mandatory thing. Fine. I will click on this generate runtime objects. Okay, so it is showing something MPC, DPC, and service name. These all things. Fine. Click on local object. Okay, fine. Okay, service artifacts came here. Runtime artifacts came here. We are not using any BAPI function module like that. Okay, if we are using something BAPI, then we will go for service implementation and we will map the fields. But here I am not using any BAPI. Just I am uh, picking the data which is coming from which is coming from front end, and I will take the data and I will save in the table level. Okay, so for that one I am writing the logic. This is the custom code. So I will go for runtime artifacts and DPC extension class. Fine. So usually we will go for last methods here, right? So create entity or delete entity, get entity set, and delete entity. So this type of things we will use frequently, but now this is related to media, right? So we will not use these things. We have to go for another method. Okay. So the method name is update stream. Okay, update stream. So by using this method, we can catch the file or logo, whatever it is. The media file we can catch through this method. Okay, now I will click on edit button. Here redefine method. Fine. Here these all things are not required. Fine. Now we can see something here, IT key tab. Okay, just double click on it and double click here also. Here it is containing something name and value. So here the value will contain the file name or the uh, image name, logo name, document name. Okay, this value will contain that one. Let me check in the name also how it will come, which value will come. We will check in the debugging level. Okay, but value will contain the file name or logo name. Fine, click on back. So only name will come under this IT key tab. Okay, and what about the file or what about the image? Okay, so it will come in this structure. IS media resource is there, right? So it will contain that one. Just double click on it. Here it is containing something MIME type and value. Okay, so MIME type will contain the type of that document, type of that file. Either it is a text file or document file or JPG, PNG, whatever it is, the type it will contain. And the value means so total content. So in the notepad, we will maintain something data, or in the Excel sheet, we will maintain something data, 10 lines of information. The 10 lines of information, this will contain, the value will contain the data. Okay, so we are uploading something, we are sending something JPG file. Okay, so at that time the JPG will come, right? The JPG will contain this MIME type, and the that logo or that JPG file will convert into one format. That format will save this value. Okay, so once we go to the debugging, then you can understand clear cut. So let me write something code here. So first of all, I will declare something work area data ls file type. What is the table name here? Z media, right? Just copy this one and click on paste. Okay, I have just declared one work area, ls file type, the table name. Fine. Now we need to pick the file name, right? We need to pick the file name. File name is coming from the front end only, right? Which will contain that one, the IT key tab. It will contain that one, right? So I will check that one now. Data ls key tab is equal to okay. So I'm just read table syntax I'm using here. Okay, just reading the first line of information. Fine. And now, so ls file is coming. This is for table, right? So we have to insert the data in the table level. So for that one, I'm declaring this ls underscore file. Now what I will do, ls underscore file hyphen, here file name is there, right? Just copy this one, and here file name is equal to. So here are two more fields is there, file type. Just I am copying and pasting it here. The file content, okay, just copy and pasting it here. Fine. File name, right? The file name. So already the data will come in this ls underscore key tab hyphen value. So once again, I am double clicking it here and double click here. It is containing something name and value, right? So the value will contain the file name. So click on back. Fine. This is okay. Fine. Now, what about the text file or image file? Okay. So here is media resource. Okay, it will contain that data. So is media resource hyphen mime type. Okay, and the content. So this one only will contain the content also. If you go inside here, just now I have opened it, right? MIME type and value. MIME type means this is nothing but the type of the document, either it is PNG or JPG or TXT, whatever it is. And the value means the total, the file content, whatever it is containing the data, it will pick that one. Okay, just I'm filling the data and I'm inserting the data. Insert, so jet media from ls file. Just I'm inserting the data here. Okay, just I'm inserting the data. So let me activate it. It's showing something error. is media resource does not have component type. Okay, let me double click it here once again. Sorry, mime type and value, right? What I have taken there, I don't know. Value. Yeah, already mime type taken, so value. It's activated. Okay, it is activated. I will keep the breakpoint here. Keep the breakpoint and click on back. But the service name. So I want to get to the service name. So click on back. This is the service name, right? So this service name is not registered yet. So we need to register this one first of all. So what is the transaction? I here add service, and here the alias name local, and that service name I'm just passing. Click on enter button, it will come here, and click on add selected services here. Click on OK. Okay. Now it is added. Now come back. Just filter that one. It will come here. Okay. Now click on the gateway client. This is okay, fine. Okay. This is okay, fine. Now we need to select the entity set, media set. That is fine. Okay. So first of all, I will create one text file here. Text document. So this is thing. Okay. Here I will maintain something data. Okay. 2 lines of information I'm saving and I'm closing it here. Now the requirement is I want to send this data from frontend to SAP. Okay. So what I will do here, add file is there. Okay. Add file. So click on this button and select the file where it is located in the desktop. Something hello, something I have taken, right? Just double click on it. Okay. The data is coming on the left side. Okay. We did not execute it. We did not execute this one. Okay. Just we have selected the file, then whatever the file is containing the data is coming in the left panel, and you can see something here. It is selecting put here. Okay, we are updating something value here, so it is automatically it is selecting this put radio button. Previously, till now we have worked on get radio button only. So this is for getting the data. Okay, picking the data, selecting the data from SAP. But now updating, we are updating something data to SAP. That is why we have select, automatically the put radio button has selected here. Okay, fine. Now we have to give the file name here. So this file name is something hello. Okay, something hello. And here we have to provide this one. Okay. Slash dollar value. This is mandatory. So we have to provide this way only. The syntax is this way only. And click on the execute button. So it came to the debugging screen, and the desktop 3, we can go for locals. Here IT IT key tab, double click on it, IT key tab. So it is containing something hello. Okay, name is coming like file name. Okay, name is coming like file name. The file name is hello. Okay, now so click on back. So we can get to know, right? So this internal table is containing the value. Two fields it is containing. The first one is the name, and the second one is the value. Name is containing the file name, and the value is containing the hello. So the service calling here, I'm providing something hello, right? So this is the file name. Okay, this is the file name. This file name is coming into this internal table IT key tab. Okay, so click on back. So that is why I am reading the first line of information here. So ls key tab will contain the data here. So ls-1 key tab value. So it is containing the file name hello. So that hello I am passing into ls file name. This is the work area for filling the data in the table level. So click on F5 button. Okay. Now the desktop, sorry, in the locals, we can see one more thing also, IS media resource. Double click on it. And we can see something here, MIME type. MIME type is coming like text applying. Okay, this is a text file. Okay, this is a text file, notepad file. So that is why it is coming like txt text. Okay, and the value is coming like this. Okay, so whatever the value we have, we are giving something data like this, Govind, Tirupati, AP, and Padma, Chennai, and Tamil Nadu. Something data we are passing. This all data will convert into one format. Okay, so this is the format. We cannot understand this format here. Okay, we cannot understand this format here. So this format will save into SAP now. So click on desktop 3 and now click on F5 button. F5. So inserting is there, right? So I will go to the table once again here. So I will check how many records are available here. Okay, number of records, number of entries, 0 records, right? Now I will go to the debugging. I will click on F5 button now. Okay, so this inserting is completed. Now I will go to the table once again and click on number of entries. Oh, what happened? One minute. So click on execute. So it is executed. Click on the number of entries here. So one record is coming. Okay, one record is coming. Click on execute button. Now we can see something. Hello. Okay, this is the text file. It is convert file content is coming in this way. Okay, file content. We cannot understand this one. Okay, so it is converting because of the here the data type is raw string. Okay, so whatever the data we are passing, the data will convert into some format. Okay, fine. This is okay, fine. Now, what I will do, I will upload something data, like something images. Here SAP logo is there, right? SAP logo. I want to upload this one. Okay, I want to upload. I want to send this one to SAP now. So how can we do this one? So once again, so click on the add file here. Okay, add file, and here SAP logo. This is the JPEG image. Okay, this is the JPG format. Just double click on it. So previously something a text file data came, but now SAP image is coming here. Okay, now we have, here also the radio button is selecting like put, and if you click on the execute button, it will go to the, something, sorry. I did not change the value here. Okay, so see here, hello only I have given, but hello is already available, the table level. Hello, this is the key field information, right? So we cannot provide the duplicates, but what will happen here? It will not save the data. Fine. Okay, here I'm just passing the file name as hello, but already hello is available in the table level. So what will happen? So click on refresh. Nothing is happening here. Okay, so we have to give the different name here for this one. This is SAP, right? SAP logo. So SAP logo. SAP logo. Now click on execute button. It will go to the debugging screen once again. So click on F5, and now the value, the file name I'm just maintaining like SAP logo. Now I will go to the here IS media resource is there, right? Just double click on it. Now we can see something image. So previously it came like text. Okay, but now it is coming like image JPEG format. Okay, the format it will contain, the MIME type will contain the format. If it is the text file, text will come. If it is the image, then image or JPEG will come here. If it is something Excel will come. Document will come. So it will contain the type, what type of document it is. Okay, and value is seeing, right? So it is converting into something. We cannot understand this one. Okay, now click on F6. I will click on F8 button directly. So it is executed. 204 came here. This is the green color. Okay, means it is executed successfully. I will come to the table once again and click on the refresh button. See, SAP logo is coming here, but it is converting into something format, but we cannot understand this one. Okay, fine. This is okay, fine. We are inserting the data from third party, from front end to SAP. We are saving the data. We are updating something value here. That is okay, fine. But I want to pick this data only. Okay, I want to pick this data only. I mean, I want to send this data to front end. I want to uh, I want to send the logo, SAP logo to front end. How can we do this one? Okay, so once again, go to the DPC extension class, and here click on edit button. So here get stream is there. Okay, so update stream means we are updating, we are inserting something data from front end to SAP. Okay, now we have to pick the data, we have to read the data. So for that one, we have to go for get stream here. Okay, just select it and click on the redepend method. Okay, fine. Get stream came here. Now here IT key tab. Okay, so once again IT key tab came here. Just double click on it, and here once again double click on it. The same name and value. Okay, name and value. So what is the use of this one? Here the user will give the file name. Okay, the user will give the file name. So it will come to SAP table and it will check with that file name. Okay, with that file name it will check. So if the data is available, it will pick the data and it will send to the front end. Right, so click on back. Okay, back. So first of all, we need to check the file name. Okay, user is which, what data user is expecting here. Okay, what is the file name? We need to fetch that one first of all. So data of ls file tab is equal to it key tab. Okay, now the data will come into this ls underscore key tab. Okay, ls underscore key tab. Now what I will do, I will write the select query. Select single star from Z media. This is the table name. Z media is the table name into ls media. Okay, where this is the file name, right? Where file name is equal to ls key tab hyphen value. Okay, so here this ls key tab is containing the two fields, name and value. Name is containing the file name and value is containing the, sorry, if you go to the debugging, then you can understand this one. So both will be the file name here, right? So I will go to the debugging, then you can understand it easily. So as of now, I'm writing the select query here. Okay, now Here, we need to export the data, right? We need to export the data to front end. How can we export? By using ER stream. Okay, ER stream. But this is the type ref2 data is there. Okay, this is nothing but something object. Okay, something object here. This is not the work area internal table like that. So how can we do this one? So uh, just double click it here. I will tell you what I'm doing here. Okay, here mime type and value is coming. So this mime type and value. So for that one, I will take this one. So what I'm doing here, this is okay. We are fetching something data, but we need to send this one to front end. Okay, how can we send? So first of all, we need to align the data into one structure in one work area, the file type and the uh, file content. Okay, these two things we will pass into one structure. Okay, what is the structure here? In the response context. Okay, ES response context. If you double click on it, and here we can see something TYS media resource. If you double click here, then it is containing something mime type and value, right? So I will take one work area by using this one. Okay, by using this one, I will declare one work area here. Data ls media type. Okay, type. So here it is containing the two fields, mime type and value, right? So I will pass the values like ls media, hyphen mime type is equal to, and ls media hyphen value is equal to. So what type of file it is? Either it is text file or jpg file or excel file, word file, what type of file it is. Okay, and here the data is coming here, right? So ls media. Okay, already I'm taking here, right? Okay, I will take the different name here. Z media. ls Z media hyphen file type. Here ls Z media hyphen file content. Just check it, activate it. Okay, fine. Okay, so we are sending, uh, we are getting the data into ls media. The data is coming from the table level, and now we are passing the data into one more work area here. Okay, one more work area here. Now what we will do, we need to export the data to front end. How can we do this one? Okay, so in this dpc extension class only, we have something method copy data to ref. Okay, so by using this method, we can send this jpg or text file or word file, whatever it is, it will send to front end by using this method. Okay, and here is data is coming. So is data, we need to pass this one. Okay, ls media work area is containing the actual data now. Okay, so we are sending the data to this method. Okay, and here er stream. Okay, here something object is coming here, right? Er stream is coming. That er stream, I'm just passing it here. Okay, just activate it, keep the breakpoint. Okay, I'm getting the data, and this is the hello. What is the file name here? Just check in the table level, HELLO, fine. And here also I'm maintaining the same thing here. And here get I'm selecting. Get means we will fetch the data. Okay, we will fetch the data. Now if you click on execute button, it will go to the debugging screen. Okay, it will go to which method it is, get stream. Okay, get stream. So click on the desktop tree and click on the locals. Here IT key type is coming, double click on it. Here name and value is coming. Name is nothing but file name. Okay, and the content, the file name actual value is this one. Okay, file name actual value is this one, hello. Right, so click on back. So by using this one, the data is coming in the IT key tab, right? So I am reading the data into work area. Okay, ls key tab hyphen value. So this is the hello. So by using this one, user wants this file. Okay, hello file. So he is giving the input like this. So it came to our code. So I'm just using the work area. And after that one, the data came to the work area hyphen value. And now I'm reading the data. I'm selecting the data from the database table itself. Okay, so click on F5 button. LS media is coming here. Okay, so hello, text are plain, and this is something format is coming here. Okay, something format is coming. Fine. Now I'm just passing this data. This table data is coming, right? The table data I'm passing into one work area ls media. So click on F5, and now I'm just populating the data, whatever we are getting here. Okay, ls media is there, right? So if we double click on this ls media, we can see MIME type and value. Okay, MIME type and value, and we are exporting this one to front-end system. So click on F8 button. See the text file data is coming here. Okay, fine. I will go for SAP logo once again. So the second record is there, right? So for the second record, I will go to the database table and I will copy this name and I will paste it here. Okay, now I will click on execute button. Desktop 3 and locals, IT key tab. Here file name is coming like SAP logo. So this is the internal table data. I'm just passing this one to work area first of all. ls key tab hyphen value is equal to SAP logo. Okay, I will pass this SAP logo to table. Okay, I will fetch the data by using this input. Okay, LSZ media, and if you double click on it, you can see something SAP logo. This is the image. Okay, this is the image JPEG format, and it is converting something value like this. Okay, once we send the data to front end, at the time automatically this format will convert into actual format, either it is JPG format or text format, whatever it is. Okay, so click on F6. Now ls media is containing the two fields. So MIME type and value. Okay, MIME type and value. So by using this work area, I'm just exporting the data to front end. Click on execute button. Now see SAP logo is coming here. Okay, this is the SAP logo. So this is the way to work on the media files, how to upload the media files, how to get the media files. Okay, fine. And I'm maintaining all the documentation, and once the course will complete, after that one, I will upload the document in the YouTube itself. Okay, you can download it from there only. But once it is completed, then only I will upload the document. Okay, and fine. In the next class, we will discuss some more concepts. Okay. Okay, then bye. Jai Hind.